Right here I have this pack of 2 oven mitts. Let me go ahead and open these up and show you what they look like. So this is everything that came inside the package. This is the black option. Something that I really like about these oven mitts is that they actually have a really high temperature tolerance. These can actually withstand temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and reliably protect your hands from any burns, which is great. I also like, I don't know if you can see up close here, these little rubber patches here. It has this really nice non-slip design, so you won't accidentally drop something that might be a little slippery with your typical gloves. These are made out of silicone as well, so they'll be nice and secure on there. So you can see on the inside right here, this is lined with a nice rich cotton material, which will really help keep your hands nice and cool. It is also really soft. And then you can see on each of these gloves, there is a little hanging ring, making it easy to store as well. So I'm just gonna slide my hands into both of these. I really like that they're not super large and bulky. This is gonna be everything you need to safely remove things from the oven. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I'll use these. Overall, I really like how comfortable these oven mitts are. I love that I don't have to worry about my hands burning, taking things out of the oven. And I especially like the little grippy pieces on here. They really come in handy and make me feel really secure taking things out of the oven, not worrying about them dropping.